Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the order of mix box plugin chain, how to use box to mix your instrument or tracks. So variably a box simply means a single channel. For example, I'll be going to my mixer right here and you can see all these different channels here. So when you have more than one sound on one particular channel, it can be regarded as a box because these channels, this single audio channel, can take or you can route more than 3 or 4 instruments around it. I'm definitely going to show you a sample right now, and I have a beat right here. So what I want to do in this beat is to link all the drum together in one mix. So I'm just going to preview the drums. So I'm just going to balance the volume. So the first thing I need to do is I'll be using a drum box of 3. I'll be linking to the mixer 3, and I'm going to link all of them to 3. So when I click 3, so anytime I play, all of them will be in this channel. So I put it on solo right now. Everything is coming out from this channel. So I can also go ahead and title it a box and percussion box. To differentiate it, I'll just say percussion box. So the reason why box is very good because it will help you to minimize or to gather your to be able to mix your instruments. For example, you have over 300 tracks here, so box can actually help you to minimize, instead of putting all the 300 channels into 300 tracks on your mixer. So you just get to route the ones that are similar, like all my percussions right here, and I put them in one mixer box. So that's exactly what you're seeing here. So in mixing box, it's helping us to give us the best performance of the audio, to give it the brightness. And the first thing you're going to do is to add an EQ. So right here you can see I'm going to cut out some EQ right here. Then another thing is, now that you have this as a box, you can also give it a color. I'm just going to add a color for you to be able to differentiate. Okay, so click OK. So this is my percussion box. Now that I've given out some EQ, I'm going to add some compressor. So this compressor is going to do, I'm going to add compressor right here. I'm going to be like 2:1 ratio, and you make sure you don't overdo it. Okay, so I have my compression is about 2:3 ratio. Then I'm going to give it that gain, a little bit gain. Then also your attack. So I'm going to preview in and out. So I'm going to off the plugin and put it back to see how quality it is. So you can see the difference. So I actually use this EQ to remove the rumbles, to remove the muddiness. Okay. Before. You can see how dim and down it is because the quality is down. So I have to remove the rumbles. So now it is more weighty and brighty. So you can also give it a little bit more gain. So our aim is to have the best performance of these percussions right in this box. Okay. So another thing you can do is just to add a little, let's say, distortion, or you add a little more harmony to it. So I'm just going to add a saturator. This is my saturator right here to give it more frequency boost. So there are different modes of saturator right here. Just choose. before, after. So you can see it becomes brighter and heavier. Okay, it becomes more punchy. So if you also want to give it, you can also give it a little bit more gain. So this is exactly the aim why you want to process some instrument in a box to be able to manage the front end and also the spacing of your. So the process, the main reasons to process is to ensure you get the best performance of the sound to enable it to perform very well. Okay. So I'm just going to preview everything like I have my. You can see how the snare is up front and other percussions. Now you can see the difference before, after. So this is exactly how to add your sounds to mix bus and how you mix them. So depending, I just add a saturation. You can as well add if it's something that you want to brighten or you want to cut out some frequency, you can as well. Want to make it cooler. Okay, I don't want it to be too sharp. I just want it to be cool a little. So what I did was just to drop some of the high end, okay? Like the 10K, just drop the 10K. So guys, this is how this is your plugin chain for Mixbox, and you can as well experiment other purpose and this so you can see how it becomes bright. So make sure you follow the tutorial step by step and try more, maybe in case you forget. So do where to like and subscribe to this channel, and whenever we upload any new video you get a notification. So do where to join our music production free Telegram group right in the description. See you guys in the next video.